Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to unlock Honda Jazz without Key Easy Guide. Start by verifying there is no spare key available, and then try the manual door release on a front door. Use a soft wedge to create a small gap, then insert a long reach tool to press the interior unlock button. Work slowly to avoid damaging weather strips or electronics, and call a locksmith if you hit resistance. I will guide you through safe tool methods that minimize damage and stress. Wedge gently at the top corner of the door to form a gap, supporting the panel with your palm to prevent paint stress. Slide a long reach tool inside and feel for the interior lock or door handle, then actuate it carefully. If the lock resists or electronics behave oddly, stop and consult a professional locksmith for assistance. In this short break, I will remind you to subscribe and like if you are finding the video helpful, and to support the channel. Quick recommendation: check the description for the Echo Dot product seen here. Musical notes bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker, and look for the link and other deals. It makes hands-free routines easier while you work on the car. Now let's get back to the video. Next, I will explain electronic fob troubleshooting that can save time and money. Replace the fob battery first, then hold the fob directly against the driver door handle or near the key slot and press unlock. Some vehicles allow a hidden mechanical override or emergency key inside the fob that can open the door. If nothing works, contact roadside assistance or a dealer for coded access to avoid damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.